What, you want brother to have his own sassy? Okay, there we go. Here's Bubba's sassy. What? Oh, Nora, you're such a good big sister. Look how...
Monkey.
Yeah, that's brother's monkey. You're such a good big sister, No. What a good job you're doing. Can you look at brother? Let me see. Can you look at him? What? Look, Mimi. She said, "Look, Mimi."
Oh, you're doing such a nice job. Oh, you're a good big sister.
Wow, Nora. What a wonderful big sister you are. Good job. Huh? Are you done holding him? Okay. Oh, okay. I want to hold him. You're doing a great job, Nora. Oh, look at her little hand. She was hitting. Nora, you're doing so good. He's sleeping on her. Nora, you're just a wonderful big sister. Yes, you are. Let's see here. No. She's afraid of his hands. Oh no, that's your passy. That's No-No's passy. It's nice of you to share it with brother, but that's No-No's passy.
What do you got there?
Baby.
Baby brother? You gotta be real careful. Baby brother.
She's doing very good with him.
He's gonna be the worst of your nightmares someday.
Yeah, say we'll be buddies.
He's gonna be the worst of your nightmares. Boys and girls weren't made to be buddies.
Say we'll be buddies. We'll share passies.
They weren't made to be buddies.
Oh, no, where's your feet? They're cold. Your toes are cold. Yeah. You all done? Okay, let mommy. You say, "Mommy, all done." And then mommy will pick up brother. Oh. You want mommy to do it on the boppy like this? Okay, yeah, because this is safe for it.